With our QuickBooks Enterprise system, we really could see how much we were paying for a product and then how we could try to bring that price down.
Always kind of being on the run at the job site. I could send over a change order right from my phone. It was just so much easier to track stuff.
It is not easy to understand the impacts of payroll, vendor purchase orders, management reports all in one platform. And ultimately, that's why we chose QuickBooks Online Advanced.
When we began, there were no products for our textured hair.
So we ended up mixing and matching products just to get a right combination for a mixed chick. So as we shared our little concoctions, she ended up saying like, oh my gosh, like we need to start a company. And I'm looking at her thinking like, yeah, who does this?
Kristen was a freelance cosmetologist. I was chasing the corporate ladder within a big company.
We were just bringing a baby into the world, and so he says, I want to quit my job and let's start a business.
We sold our house, we sold our cars. Now what?
The first year was definitely a major struggle because all I knew was how to build that house. I didn't know taxes. When Nina first came into Woodcliff Builders, she walked into a huge mess.
I just remember feeling so overwhelmed of like where to even start.
Well, when we began our company, we were hands-on, we did everything. The way we kept track of our inventory was really just writing it down on a piece of paper. We were winging the whole thing.
We were winging it for a really long time.
QuickBooks Online Advanced has helped with our cash flow like tenfold. Every single one of our projects has a payment schedule that's built out. Now with people being able to pay online, I'm not running around to job sites chasing checks around.
Somebody calls. I want to know, when was this product made? Before, we had to call the lab, wait for them to look it up. I can now go right into QuickBooks Enterprise. Packing slips there, and then there's the badge, 8885. And be, okay, that was made on February 21st, right at my fingertips.
We service big customers. We are floating payroll for 9 to 15 months before we get paid on projects. I've got a cash flow tracker that very simply gives me a trajectory of where we are going for the next few quarters.
QuickBooks Time has been huge because now our employees, they're able to track by the hour what project they're working on.
We've had a challenge as a brand with where our brand sits.
We are limited to the ethnic aisle. QuickBooks Enterprise has helped me see that our customers who actually break it down by texture instead of race, Mixed Chicks is more successful there than in other accounts. It makes us know we are not crazy. There should only be a middle aisle.
QuickBooks makes this journey much easier for me. It really is putting a lot more spark into my craftsman side.
We're building something that this next generation gets to see. I don't know what the future holds. It's pretty exciting.
In this moment of refining and efficiency and making sure that we will be here in 20, 30, 40 years, QuickBooks is providing those tools.
If Mixed Chicks didn't have QuickBooks Enterprise, we'd be a hot mess.
I'm not sure where we're going, but I know we're prepared for any opportunity. We're ready.